Can you really make $500 a day just testing and downloading apps? In today's video, we're going to find out whether a website called foryoucash that states that you can actually earn $500 a day testing apps and games. We're going to go and do a deep dive into it. I'm going to show you in the back end, show you how it works, and find out whether it is worth your while. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. You're going to want to know everything about foryoucash before you go and actually sign up. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from martinburt.online, and I make videos about making money online so that you can actually make money online too. And today we're looking at a site called foryoucash that actually claims on their website that you can make $500 per day testing apps and games. So of course, I wanted to go and check it out and see whether this was really possible. So let's go and head over now and check out foryoucash. Okay, so we jumped on to the foryoucash site, and as you can see here, make $500 per day testing apps and games. So it all sounds pretty legit. Obviously, they've got things here which we'll go through in a minute. As you can see, it says they've got over 2,000 users. They've got over 10,000 plus quick tasks, and they've paid out over $1 million in rewards. Well, we're going to find out more about that soon. But of course, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. Like I say, I'm going to go through some stuff that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join this, to find out whether these claims are true. So when testing any site, I wanted to check out obviously the domain and find out who actually owns it. So as you can see here, it's owned by this company here, and it was actually registered back in 2024 in February, and updated again at the beginning of March this year. So I would state that they probably bought the domain back in 2024, and they probably launched the website very recently, back at the beginning of March. We're now towards the end of March. So that doesn't really tell you an awful lot, but let's go and check out some of the payment proofs. This one is $2,394.11. He's got paid out $3,253, and there's other ones here $11,000. I mean, you've got to take these with a little bit of pinch of salt, I think, guys. But let's just do some more delving into this. Let's go and show you inside foryoucash and find out exactly what you have to do for this money. So once you signed up, and what I would say is at the moment, don't sign up at all at the moment until you've watched this video. But I signed up, and as you can see here, I've got my account here. Now, I just used a test account, and that's exactly what I've called it. And all of a sudden, straight away, as soon as I've actually signed up, I've actually got $50 in my account. So to earn here, let's go on the earn button here. There's various different ways you can actually earn that they're telling you can earn. So it says here, you can earn $100 for each of these. So all you've got to do is enter your PayPal and complete the steps to unlock this content. And it says £750 to your PayPal account. These £1,000 towards a new iPhone. Enter your email, complete the tasks. All I would say, guys, is a site similar to this that claim you can obviously earn big bucks, and also you can earn small amounts by taking surveys and that sort of thing. Some of them are legit, but some of them will never ever give you an amount like $100 just for doing a small task. There just isn't anything. It's just not viable. Where are they going to get that $100 from? So I'd be very, very wary. So that is the first red flag for this website. Now you've obviously got invites here as well. It says here that you can obviously get paid to invite your friends. So it says you share your link, you get $2 for every click. And that's every click. It doesn't matter whether they sign up or anything. What site gives you $2 for every single click that you can actually get? There isn't one. It also says here that when you sign up, you'll earn $20 when they register. So in other words, everybody that signs up, you get another $20 in your bank. And it also says here that when they earn, you will earn 25% of everything they actually earn as well. Well, that could be feasible. I've got some sites that do pay that. But $20 for a sign-up fee? No, that's a bit steep, I must admit. I don't, again, see where they're actually going to get that from. Some sites do pay a few dollars, maybe $2, $3, maybe $5 maximum, but not $20. Haven't come across anything that pays $20. So again, another bit of a red flag here, guys, because they're trying to entice you to obviously share your link and get money into your bank. And you probably will get the money into here. You will get the money into your bank and it will sit there, and then you will try and pay out and something will crop up. So let's just have a look at the social tab here as well. Now you'll probably find that if you're doing a bit of research, you will find obviously some reviews on all of these: Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, all of these programs. You will find reviews of this program. Now the thing is, if you wanted to actually post on Facebook and Instagram, etc., they're going to pay you to do it. They're going to pay you. Look, Facebook, you can earn $40 plus. Instagram, $30 plus. Even YouTube is $50 plus. Now, I know from experience here of these sort of sites that you have to follow a specific script. So you have to tell people, obviously, that you're earning loads of money and you've paid out and all that sort of thing in your review to get your $50 into your back office. But knowing full well that they're not going to pay you that $50. Let's go a little bit further into this and find out exactly about the payout levels. Now it says here, obviously, I've got my $50, which it says here. I've done nothing for that apart from sign up. What I also did as well, I can update my PayPal, and I've put a fictitious email in here, and I've got my PayPal, it's signed up. So it says here I can withdraw. So click on it. At the moment, it says you're a bit short of funds. You've got to earn an additional $100 to meet the withdrawal threshold. Now, again, this is another red flag, guys. That withdrawal limit is very, very high. Now, it means you've got to hit $150 because I've already got $50 in there. So you've got to get another $100. And I know that seems possible because some of these tasks are $100. So you're thinking, I've got to do one task and then I can actually bank it. Well, that's not the case, because they will get you to do more and more invites, and they'll tell you you've got to invite 20 people, 30 people before you can actually, or you've got to get to level 4 before you can actually pay out. Guys, we've seen these all before. There's red flags galore on this site, so just be wary. If you want something that I know is tried and tested, I've got loads of playlists here about apps and about other sites and ways to make money online. Majority of them are legit. If they're not legit, then you'll find them in my scam folder. It's as simple as that. So you can go through these, and if you went through the scam one, you would find lots more sites just like this. $500 for doing this per day, $500 for doing that per day, all very similarly laid out. When I signed up for this, I didn't actually need any verification on my email at all. Now, which is a bit strange, because if you're dealing with money and that, you would also always have to verify your email address. I didn't have to do that at all, so I could sign up with a fictitious email and it just let me have an account. Now, again, that's another red flag, guys. It's just not good at all. Now, going back to where the actual domain is signed up and the company here, I just done a quick check on the internet, and it came up with the company, and I went to Trustpilot. And that's not to say that this company isn't a legit company, because they've claimed their profile. But a lot of the actual reviews here about the company say that they are found this site. This site is selling domains for elaborate scammers. The scammers' initially email was hard to track, but a second email routed back to this company. So, and they've only got 1.5 review stars out of 70 reviews. So there's more like this. Now, if you're joining any company out there, obviously do your due diligence. Check out the name, check out the business, check out the owners. There's no owners on this website at all. So again, that is another red flag. Don't join companies that are not transparent and open with their details. And can you get hold of them? Have they got a support network? All this sort of thing is stuff that you can actually go and check out before you go and sign up for any of these companies. Now, I know what you're thinking, that, oh, well, you didn't go and do the task, you didn't go and check it out. Well, I've done plenty of these before to know that this is not going to pay out. I'm not going to waste my time. I don't think you should waste your time. By all means, if you want to go and do it and check out and see whether they pay out, and then you can drop a comment below this video if they pay out. Wow, that'd be good. But I don't think they will. So I wouldn't waste your time. If you're looking for a way to make money online, the best way I've found Yes, I have made money through apps and through websites similar to this, but you're not going to earn $100 per task. You're going to earn a few dollars a day. That's all. But the one that's earned me the most money is something called affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn more about that, I have got a free guide that I give away. I'll drop the link in the description here. You can go and check it out. It's called the Affiliate Profit Formula. You can go and check that out for free. And if you wanted to get a legit business that you could start with a very small startup cost, then you can actually go and do this. But for foryoucash, I don't think it's a legit company. I don't think you're going to get paid. So I would stay well clear of this. Otherwise, you're just going to waste your time. Trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.